गुड मॉर्निंग, दिस इज नमस्कार। जो आ नहीं रहा है, सिग्नल नहीं आ रहा है इसमें यार, क्या करेगा, कोई सिग्नल ही नहीं है। सिग्नल नहीं आ रहा है, क्या करूँ इसमें यार। यस यस इट्स ओके नाउ। गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार। मैं हूँ सूरज सिंह, भारत से। आई एम सूरज सिंह स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम सिग्नल्स प्रॉब्लम अगेन, भारत इंडिया। सिग्नल्स प्रॉब्लम। to do. नहीं चल रहा है यार। Again, I say because signals I'm seeing now, this is Suraj Singh speaking from Bharat. Again, signals are gone. सिग्नल्स have gone. मैं भारत से बोल रहा हूँ, इंडिया से सूरज सिंह, सिविल इंजीनियर। कोविड-19 के विषय में, रिगार्डिंग कोविड-19, signals are gone. What's happening? I don't know. What's happening? Signals are going and coming, going and coming, going and coming. I think Airtel is not working or this Facebook is, I don't know, something's happening here. कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है फेसबुक में इसमें। खैर, मेरा ये विचार लंबे वीडियो का नहीं है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव दिस लॉन्ग वीडियो. आई एम जस्ट showing you this worksheet, which is very important because this is a report including today, you know. This report is including today. ये आज मिला के रिपोर्ट है. मैं इसे ज़्यादा डिस्कस नहीं करूँगा कि एक हफ्ते बाद, आफ्टर 1 week, I analyze this. I'm just giving you report as I recorded today, and this is I started from 31st August 2020, 31st August 2020, and daily report is there. That this data I am taking from government website. You can go and see. ये जो डाटा मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, मेरा अपना नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट का है. मैंने खाली इसको एनालाइज किया है. एनालिसिस करके आपको बताने की कोशिश की है कि ये किस तरह का डाटा है, इसका मतलब क्या है. Now you can, again signals have gone. Now you can see this website. I'll just move around to show how it's working. मैं आपको खाली इस पे चलाता हूँ, दिखाता हूँ ये कैसे काम कर रही है, क्या ये कह रही है. वो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि बात समझेंगे तो बाद में मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं इस पर आई एम नॉट एबल टू अपलोड ऑन सम वेबसाइट, and I uploaded on script.com. I didn't like that because it was broken scenes. So you can say this A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. ये हैं इसके 16 इसके divisions columns. Now we have to see Bharat India COVID-19 comparative study, and this is comparative study, and this is from August 31st. I have recorded you that others got lost up to today. I mean 10th of yesterday's means today's report. 10th record. This report is between 31st August 2020 and November 10th, so it is today. 11 is reported today. Here you can see there are 50 entries like this. You know, these entries, you can see yourself. This is that up to 53, and there's a data error on government website itself. They are not giving correct data. On both days they give this data and this data, and these are same. So there's an error, no problem. We take care of that. And these columns are, first is serial number, then report date, remark, population, indicative only, which is on 30 kilo taking, and we all link that one, and percent daily test in relation to population. And this is from government record test total test update. Every day total is there. And today, yesterday's was this one, 12 lakhs. Total is 1.2 crores. It is. So this is, you can say, more than yesterday's was 119, and it's now 1 point. So this is 12. No. Percentage total tests done over population, and this is percentage test. So this is 9.29% tests were done yesterday. 9 point means this is 12 crore, 12 crore 7 lakh 61,151. 12 crore 7. This is total test done till yesterday. So that's percentage of this. I'm not saying tests are done yesterday. Cumulative percentages, if you see from there, from beginning it was too small, and then it went updated percentages. Total tests are done this much, and this is population we are taking. So this is according to population. This is percentage. So yesterday it was only 0.089%, and then you can say remaining population to be tested. Yes, total population tested till now is this. So remaining is this. That's this. And this is the government report here. This is daily test conducted. This is here. You see, this is just yesterday. Yeah.
यहीं बैठेगा सूप ला दूँ यहीं सूप
Hello. So you can see these tests were done yesterday 11:53 to 94, 11,02,294, and percentage daily test or total test. So this is 0.95% of total test. Okay, 0.95%. Now this is data from infection dates, infection update, government data. This is that 86 lakhs 36,011 total update. And the fraction cases over, test done. 7.15% now. Average 7.23. Daily positive. Daily positive means yesterday, how many were positive? This is 44 to them, and they are reducing down. That's a beautiful policy they are adopting. You did this down. They are reducing down, that's it. So they are reducing it down, right? This is a game, and this is daily positive tested percentages, that is. This is only this percentage. Then this data from government, death update. How many updated deaths? Today, total deaths up till yesterday, 1,27,571, and yesterday cases of 512. So, this data I'm just trying to show you. I'm not going to detail it now. I'm just I take 4 or 5 more data. Maybe tomorrow, next day, otherwise maybe up to 15th you can say. And then we'll analyze this data. Now I'm just giving information only. I've recorded this. So here is only 0.078%. You know, this is percentage daily test in relation to population. Daily test only this percentage, you know. And now this is average here we are taking. This is all average. And my question is, can we wait for how many days? These days, 1281 days. If you see this one, E8, P58. So you reverse this and you'll get 1280 days. Is it admissible, acceptable? You have to decide 3.51 years required for this. I say it's very slow testing. It's usually used. Very slow testing work. And this data is a fabricated one because they are trying to show to people that we are very efficient. While you see, UNI is still more. You know, you still need 1281 days you need, and that's 3.5 years, and no country can wait for like this. So, then you can say here, this is graphics. This is graphics between this period and daily COVID-19 title, and you can see how is this graph working. This is from 0 to 12, 1.2 lakhs, and you see there is somewhere here on first entry, that is 31st August, and you see is hill, another hill, then valley. Now, hill valley one comes. It should be continuous like this actually. That should be, that should be sensible, but it means there is no consistency in this data. You can say there's no consistency here. It's in non-uniform terrain, or you can say it is very bad terrain. You can say very bad terrain. And you can see this again, where this are coming in. This is nobody can say this is some sensible. Means they are blindly giving data without any verification or something. Because they are giving for sake of giving, because there is no uniformity in this data. Like this, I should go or something. They are really serious. Means they don't care for hill and they don't care for valley also. How many valleys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, or 8. Let's say 8 valleys, then the same should be hills. 1, say 1 is here, 1 and 2, and then 3, and 4, and 5, 6. So you can say 7. Equal number of hills and valleys after this. There's no conclusion, no control on this data. That's my point of view. But this also, I'm not going to do further analysis on this so far in this video, just as information only. Every day I cannot give analysis, but if you wish, you can analyze yourself. This is data here, and I think it's not very long video, of course. And I think it's gone also. It's still, I think it's working or not, I don't know. So, the purpose is just to show you this data and how How can we work on Excel worksheet or Lotus worksheet? That's another purpose. So it's only a few minutes video, and I think it's for your information, because issue the clear information. Let's inform you there's this data here, this data from this date to this date remark I have given here. So I didn't have the right information, I just extrapolated this data from below. This is that this relates to this one, assumed return here is relates to this one. Be clear about that. And also here that error, as I said, this data and this data are same, so it should not be. And of course we have missed some data. I don't have, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 to 27 I do not have, because my being sick, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 and 12, 13, then 14, 15, 16, I don't have 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 and 31 is also errors. 1, first, second, third is not there, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So there are few entries missing. So even then we can just understand what is efficiency of government. Till now it's seen that government is not working very efficiently. Not very efficiently. I'm not blaming someone. I'm just writing here that the government is very inefficient. You may say anything, but fact remains there. This logical study you are making. Government is inefficient, government have failed, and this is a reference of that. So that was full purpose. I'll try to give daily if I can find time. I have chance, if I chance, and I'm not very busy. And if you want to check, you can check it. It's 130 crore. If you don't accept this, you may say, okay, this is 125 crore. Let us say, so this is 125 always, and this data changes. This depends on, and it may, no, we take it at 20, so you can take it 20, no problem to me, and this changes.